Hey guys, so today I heard the news and Fennec Foxes are out. Officially out. They were discovered where we had to identify where the new animal was, or what it was. So I got myself a Fennec Fox. So yeah. It's right here. I just did it myself based on my article. Wherever it is. Yeah, right here. Except the spots are orange. So yeah. Here is the set. Here's the dance. And here's top. Last but not least, here is the play. So yeah, there's a lot you can do with it. Like, you can do everything you can do with other animals. Just like, you can do like almost anything. Play games, you can do best dress. They look good. When you put items on like this, you can even use this animal as your main animal whenever you make videos. And yeah, I can start by creating a new look for you guys. Like, maybe putting these on. And this. That doesn't show up for a while. That one's better. That. Oops. Maybe even these leg armors. And for the tail item, so much you can do with my items, so this is probably the best I can do. So yeah, you can decorate dens with it. You can hang out with friends at one of these parties. Not much people go to them. Reach out to friends. So yeah, you could travel in your dens or travel outside. Like in Jamal Township, you could trade with them, create new looks. It's just an adventure. Like, you guys probably remember when the other animals came out. Well, it was pretty exciting. This one's really exciting too. So yeah. Yeah, there's not much more you can do though, except if you find out more ideas. But for me, that's pretty much all I could come up with. Buy new items. Check it out on your new Fennec Fox today. And yeah. But here is my sister's den. She decorated it. Not. Oh, there she is. Okay. So yeah, you could travel to Jamal and other things. You could trade. You could become rare today if you check out some of the videos. So just be careful of scams and just play safe. Never fall for endless tricks, and just make good friends that understand you. Yeah, I have lots of good friends online and offline. And yes, I know I have too much friends, but you can never get too much friends, so yeah. Here is my sister, by the way. There's her smoke. She also has a Fennec Fox herself. I can show that to you guys. Where is it? There it is. This was her old main look, if I can find it on her Arctic Wolf. I think she changed it for this one, but yeah, here's the Fennec Fox. if you don't have much diamonds, it's okay. You can save it up. If you're not a member, just stay wild, play wild, and meet new friends. And maybe you don't need membership to have fun, but yeah, for me, this Fennec Fox is amazing. You should check him out. And yeah, and I know I should stop walking because I'm walking all over the place. Yeah, so you can even check out parties, as I said before. Play games with your friends, earn gems and other stuff. Pretty sure Animal Jam already talked about that once you joined, but just to stay safe, watch out for scammers, and yeah, make new friends and have fun at Animal Jam and never give up. And if you're wanting an item but you still don't have it, play Forgotten Desert, or if you're not a member, keep trying, and never ever give up. And maybe you'll accomplish that dream. So, yeah, as I want to say, Fennec Foxes are cute, adorable, and their animations are just on fleek. But if you want to check them out, go ahead and buy yourself one. If you already have one, have fun with it, and stay wild. And slay now. Goodbye, guys!